Our small town in the Philippines, we are celebrate the Pasin Festival. The streets are lining with colorful decoration made from rice, fruits, and vegetables. The house are adorned with gaming and decoration made from rice stand. Children are run around laughing the playing while the elders prepare delicious dish like adobo and sinigang. The highlight of the festival is the parade where farmers showcase her best produce in her beautiful decorated falls the song of the nation Filipino. Music fills the air and everyone dances with joy. Is day of creditation of bountiful harvest and in time for the community to come together in celebration. Every year in the Philippines, there are celebrate the Pais Festival. What are the house decoration in the with the house are adorned with keeping and decorations made from rice stand. What dish do the elders prepare? The elders prepare is delicious dish like adobo and sinigang. What is the highlight of the festival? The highlight of the festival is the parade where farmers showcase her best produce or beautiful created falls. The day of the beach. Last weekend, my family spent the day at the beach. Near our home, when we rubbing the sun was shining brightly in the clear blue sky. I lathered up with sunscreen so I won't get burned. My brother and I rushed into the water, laughing and playing in the basin. We built cutting sand castle using buckets and shovels. My sister searching for sunsil allowed the surround the other occasions. Later, we enjoyed a picnic lunch of sandwich and fruit other and beach and umbrella. I'm trying to fly my new kind, but there was enough wind. As the sun starting to set, we are packing up our things on the drive home. I watching the sky change from the blue to pink and orange. It was perfect beach day that always remember take place. My answer at the beach. What did the actor and brother to in the water? My answer, the actor and brother racing into the water, laughing are playing in the waves. Why did the sister search for alone the swamp? My answer, the sister is searching for shell along the stone to add her collection. Where dry the family eats lunch? My answer, they are enjoying picnic lunch of sandwich and fruit in a clear air beach umbrella. Trip. My family and I went camping last month in the forest near our home. We are arriving at the campsite. We are working together to set up our new tent. Next, we are collected for firewood and build in fire pit to cook our dinner over later that night. As the sun starting to set, my dad helped me roast marshmallows over the crackling fire. The stars stone bright in the dark sky above us. After dinner, we all sat around the campfire telling silly jokes. It was time for bed. We are assuming our sleeping bags and certainty for the night. I felt unsweet to the clamming song of wolves, hunting and leaves roasting in the trees. Camping with my family was fun, outdoor adventure I will always appreciate. Take place. My answer, in the forest near her home. What did the family build after connected firewood? My answer, they are built in a fire pit to cook our dinner over later that night. Why did the actor roast over the fire? My answer, my dad helped me roast the marshmallows over the crackling fire. What songs did the actor fall asleep to? My answer, the actor feels asleep to the clamming song of wolves rotting in rusting in the trees.